For a knee injury, you would need the ProMOTION EV1 compression wrap and the therapy unit, as well as the compression pump. The first step would be to connect your compression pump to the compression wrap. Once you've done this, grab the therapy unit and slot that into the compression wrap. You would then connect the lead from the compression pump into the therapy unit. Once this is all set up, you can then apply that to the patient's knee. Line up the plate where you want the cooling to be. So for example, with an MCL injury, you would apply the cooling plate to the medial side of the knee, and you would then secure the wrap using the hook and eye mechanism. You can then run the program either using the app or on the device itself. We would recommend a cooling program of 20 minutes at 6 degrees. For chronic knee injuries and conditions, we would recommend cooling, heating and contrast programs. You can either set those on the device itself or on the mobile app. With ProMOTION EV1 being battery operated and no need for ice or water, the player can take their ProMOTION EV1 home, or they can even use it on a coach travelling to away games, so they can never be without their rehab, and the frequent use can aid their recovery.